Today I'm gonna show you how to make some tamales de repollo. You wouldn't believe how good these were.
You'll need 8 cups of masa de maíz para tamales. This is the one I used.
Look, I know all these recipes you're saving are getting lost. So if you use the Recime app, you can save all of the recipes you found on any social media all in one platform. It can sort your shopping list, your meal plans, and a bonus, it can even calculate the nutritional value. Now back to your recipe, you'll need
1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, 2 cups of some really good pork fat. If you want to make it vegetarian, substitute for vegetable shortening. Add 2 cups of salsa verde. I'm gonna put the recipe in the caption. Add 8 cups of chicken stock. This should be just enough to fill up my bowl. Now we gotta let that corn flour rehydrate. You can already see it going down. Just keep mixing until it all comes together. And you already know, if it don't stick to the glove, you got some bomb-ass masa. For your filling, you'll need a small head of cabbage. I used half the head of cabbage. You'll need it thinly shredded. Add half of a yellow onion, 1 Roma tomato diced, a 1/4 cup of diced up carrots, half a cup of corn. Now we're gonna add 1 chile en vinagre with a little bit of the juice, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of epazote. We're just gonna roughly chop it up and add it in there. Season with a little bit of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Mix it all up. Look at how good this looks. You'll see some of that salt draw some of that moisture. That's what you want.
soak your corn husks for 10 or 15 minutes in hot water before you use them.
Use the smooth, silky side of your corn husk.
The masa's so good,
It spreads like butter, baby.
and the fillings are endless. But this one in particular, I'm not even kidding, it was so good. And honestly, these tamales are the only thing I'm tying a knot to. You'll need a steamer, no need for a rolling boil. Keep your temperature at 3 or 4 under a medium heat, and you're going to steam them for an hour and a half. One of the mistakes a lot of people make is that they don't let the masa rest for 10 or 15 minutes before opening them.
Look at how they glisten. Enjoy.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make some tamales. You wouldn't believe how good these were.
You'll need 8 cups of masa de maíz para tamales. This is the one I
Look,
used.
I know all these recipes are getting lost. So if you use the Recime app, you can save all of the recipes you found on any social media all in one platform. It can sort your shopping list, your meal plans, your meal bonus, and the bonus. Calculate the nutritional value. Now back to recipe. You'll need
1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, some really good pork fat. If you want to make it vegetarian, substitute. Add 2 cups of salsa verde. Add 8 cups of chicken stock. This should be just enough to fill up my bowl. Now we gotta let that corn flour rehydrate. You already see it going down. Just keep mixing until it all comes together. And you already know, if it don't stick to the glove, bomb-ass. For your filling, you'll need a small head of cabbage. Half the head of cabbage. Add half of a yellow onion, 1 Roma tomato diced, a 1/4 cup of diced up carrots, half a cup of corn. Now we're gonna add 1 chile en vinagre, a little bit of the juice, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of epazote. Just gonna roughly chop it up and add it in there. Season with a little bit of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Mix it all up. Look at how good this looks. You'll see some of that salt draw some of that moisture.
Soak your corn husks for 10 or 15 minutes in hot water before you use them. The masa's so good,
like butter,
and the fillings are endless. But this one in particular, I'm not even kidding, and honestly, these tamales are the only thing I'm tying a knot to. You'll need a steamer, no need for a rolling boil. Keep your temperature at 3 or 4 and you're going to steam them for an hour and a half. One of the mistakes a lot of people make is that they don't let the masa rest for 10 or 15 minutes before opening them.
Look at how they glisten. Enjoy.